English communication is one of the most important skills, yet 80% of us don't have it. We have become so focused right now. Like if you want to go in IT field, we are learning programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, Excel, Power BI, etc. And there are a lot of things we are learning. In this process, we are overlooking the number one skill, that is communication skill. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Avinash, and today in this video, I will share some of the personal experience and tips on how you can improve your English communication. So stay till the end because I am going to share a step-by-step roadmap to improve your English communication even if you are beginner or starting from scratch. So whether you are preparing for the interview or want to give presentation in the classrooms or if you want to feel more confident while speaking in front of the people, this video is for you. And in the last, I will share some of the best application where you can practice your English conversation. Like you can use ChatGPT, and there are many more applications where you can join people like you and start learning with them. First thing first, start learning with English grammar, like basic English grammar, like tense, voice, and definitely parts of speech, which is the main thing. You should start with part of speech, and after that tense and narration and sentence formation. And if you want to learn from free study materials, the link is in the description. You can download the PDF and open the link, and you will cover the video. There is also some worksheet. You can solve that worksheet, and this was the first step to start with your English communication. And the second step is reading books. Like you can read any sort of books. The link again, I have made video for this also, where I have suggested you a lot of movies, web series, or different books to read, some movies to watch and web series to watch. You can follow that also. The link is in the description again. And like see, अगर आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना है ना, like book कैसे पढ़ना मैं ये भी बता देता हूँ, ठीक है. Like I have a book right now, Bill Don't Talk. So अगर मैं इस बुक का कोई भी एक चैप्टर ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है. हाँ ठीक है, मैं यही चैप्टर पढ़ लेता हूँ, अभी आप देख सकते हो, ठीक है. एंड यू शुड स्टार्ट रीडिंग लाउडली, ठीक है, in order to improve your English communication in a better way. So let's read. Life is like a buffet. Get up, pick what you want, try looking at, smelling and eating different things, and then take more of what you like. Don't treat it like a cart because no one is going to serve you your favorite dish on the table. You can start something like that, ठीक है. अभी जैसे मैं भी अभी स्टार्ट ही किया हूँ, ठीक है. And whatever things I am learning, I am sharing with you guys. So coming to the third point, start listening. So what you should listen, like watch movies, English podcast, and you can listen to the different YouTubers, their videos, and I would like to suggest some of the YouTubers that I follow to listen them. Definitely you can learn from Raj Samani, Wariko, and after that you can follow Well Talk Institute, and there are one more that I would suggest, English speeches, where you can learn or listen a lot of people's speeches in English, and you can follow them, and because I am following them, and in this way you can like improve your English communication, because when you surround yourself with the language, it becomes second nature to you. So basically you can follow all the YouTubers and surround yourself with these English speaking YouTubers and watch the content that provide you some English content, okay. So coming to the next point, this might sound tricky, but start thinking in English. हम लोग most of the time क्या करते हैं, जैसे हमें भी बोलना होता है, then first of all we think in Hindi, like मुझे खाना खाना है, and ऐसे सोचते हैं. Instead of thinking like I want to eat food, you just have to start thinking in English. And believe me, once you started thinking in English, this is a game changer. And that's it. And see, one thing I would like to add here is that don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are the part of learning. And see, these are the stepping stones to improvement. And everyone makes mistakes. The most important thing is that you have to practice and practice. The more you practice, the fewer mistakes you will make over the time, and that's it. और आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. एंड जो कुछ भी मैंने बताया, लाइक ग्रामर सीख लो सबसे पहले, कुछ वर्कशीट दिया हुआ है उसमें, वो कंप्लीट कर लो. एंड आफ्टर दैट बुक्स वगैरह जो मैंने रिकमेंड किए होंगे PDF में, उस कोई भी एक बुक चूज करो एंड उससे पढ़ो, ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन वॉच ऑल द मूवीज, लाइक उसके लिए भी मैंने PDF में लिंक दे दिया है. यू कैन वॉच ऑल दोज मूवीज, एंड मूवीज देखना, ठीक है, पॉज करना, और जो भी रोल प्ले हो रहा है उस मूवीज में, लाइक यू कैन रिपीट द वर्ड, सुनना, उसके बाद रिपीट करना, ठीक है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. दिस इज द अप्रोच, ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन रीडिंग कर लो एंड मूवीज वॉच कर सकते हो. एंड उसके बाद मैंने जो कुछ भी बताया, ठीक है, उसको आप फॉलो कर सकते हो. And okay, let's come to the last part where I have told you that I will share some of the best application where you can find friends and people like you and join in a community. So for this, to join an online community, you can search on Google free for talk. This is a website where you can join and learn from the people, talk to the people like you. In basically, this website help you to make English conversation with people like you. And let's again, if you want to practice English conversation with a robot, then a robot or websites like that. Then your website called replica.ai. You can follow that also. And again, you can use ChatGPT for English conversation. Like I can show you right now. I have here my mobile phone. Here I will open the Google, and there you can see you can search for ChatGPT. If I have, yeah, okay, here is my ChatGPT, and here you can like see in the right corner you find some logo like this. You have to click on this logo. Like once I click here and allow this time. Hi, can we start our conversation?
Sure, I'll remember our conversation. Take care.
So today I want to improve. Basically, I am improving my English communication, and you are my partner who can talk with me to improve my English communication. So can you help me with this?
Absolutely. I'm here to help. We can chat about anything you'd like. What would you like to discuss today?
So I would like to discuss about the revolution of AI. Like right now, I am talking with an AI. This is strange things, and this is the revolution.
It really is fascinating how far AI has come. Conversations like this are becoming more common, and AI is being used in so many fields. What's something specific about AI that interests you?
There are many things that interest me. Like today we can do a lot of things with the AI like ChatGPT. Like we can talk, we can conversation, we can do research, we can prepare PPT. Like it is beneficial in many more things, and that is interesting.
Absolutely. AI's versatility is incredible. It can assist with so many tasks, making our lives easier and more productive. What excites you most about the future possibilities of AI?
Future possibilities, I could not predict. Like, can you say something about this?
Sure. AI could potentially revolutionize areas like healthcare by improving diagnostics and personalized treatments. In education, it can create customized learning experiences. It's also transforming industries with automation and enhancing creative fields by assisting in content creation. The possibilities are vast.
Okay, that is nice to hear about AI, and definitely. And okay, let's move to something another.
Sure. What would you like to discuss next?
I would like to I would like to discuss about English conversation, like how a beginner can improve their English communication.
Improving English conversation skills as a beginner involves a few key steps. 1. Practice regularly. Consistent practice, even if it's just a little each day, can make a big difference. 2. Engage in conversations. Try to speak with others in English as much as possible, whether it's with friends, language partners, or even online communities. Listen and repeat. Listening to native speakers like in movies or podcasts, and then repeating what they say can help with pronunciation and intonation. 4. Expand vocabulary. Learning new words and phrases regularly can boost your confidence in conversations. 5. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make them. They're great opportunities to learn. Would you like to dive deeper into any of these steps?
No, I have already discussed about this, and I know about all of these things. So that's it for today. But can you rate me out of 10 how much you want to give my English communication skills?
I'd say you're around a 7 out of 10. You're expressing yourself well and improving steadily. Keep practicing and you'll get even better.
Okay, thank you for this, and that's it for today. I will talk to you later.
You're welcome. Have a great day and feel free to chat anytime. Take care.
Yeah, in this way you can chat with the ChatGPT again, and this was wonderful, right? And I could not you can try one time, and it will wonderful experience chatting with these things. And yeah, that's it for today. And अगली वीडियो में आते हैं, ठीक है? And अगर if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you have subscribed this channel, like the video, and that's it for today. Thank you.